Welcome to Dell Tech Support. In this video, we'll go over the steps for performing a part replacement on your Dell PC. First unscrew, then use fingers to remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and remove SSD. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then unscrew and disconnect power button board. Next, disconnect and remove speakers. Now unscrew and disconnect touchpad. Now unscrew and disconnect input-output board. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew and remove bracket and wireless card. Then disconnect display cable. Next, unscrew and lift right hinge. Then unscrew and lift left hinge. Now remove display assembly. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Next, unscrew and remove motherboard. Once replaced, your PC should be ready to be used again. Thanks for watching.